Welcome everybody to Rawson's Ribosome Cafe, the only place in the body that sells specialized cell organelles for you to take home and use in your own cellular family. Let's not lie to our membranes here, but all of us have had some dysfunctioning organelles before, whether that be a mishap in the Krebs cycle or even a fight between the reticulums. And it can be very excruciating trying to fix those problems, produce different organelles, or worse, having to stop your lysosomes from apoptosis, like poor William over there. Well now, let all your worries diffuse away. Come on down to our shop located at 3.14 Spleen Avenue, where we offer a wide range of cell structures or organelles for you to install in your own cytoplasm. You can choose whatever fits your needs at a reasonable price, whether that be a functioning Golgi, an upgraded nucleus, or even that brand new 500 joules mitochondria you've been wanting for a while now. It seems that luck is on your side because you're just in time for a special holiday offer where we bring in international products from around the globe. If you feel a little daring, try out the prokaryotic membrane or the virus capsid coat, all at a heavily discounted price. At the end of the day, we can't function without our trusty ribosomes, so don't be a William. To schedule an appointment, please call 314-159-2ATP, pull up to 3.14 Spleen Avenue, and remember to use code BENKI for a 10% discount. See you then. Eukaryotes, the name of our beloved race. There are just so many different versions of us to appreciate. We have red eukaryotic cells, white eukaryotic cells, hell, we even have green eukaryotic cells, all of us residing in different places of the world. However, despite all this, we still have so much in common, and our internal organelles are almost identical. Because of this amazing fact, any organelle from one type of eukaryote can be used to function in another, which is exactly why your eukaryotic self should not hesitate to shop at Rawson's Ribosome Cafe. Not to be a cellist or anything, but us eukaryotes are substantially superior to any other type of cell. Why? Well, we are filled with complex systems, structures, and organelles that differentiate us from prokaryotes or even viruses. What are some of the main parts that other cells don't have? Let's start off with the nucleus. Probably the most essential part of a cell. The nucleus is the home of the body's genome, containing all the genetic data and acts as a control center for the cell. Unfortunately, we do not have nuclei for sale, and if you happen to be having problems, make sure to dial 911 and have that repaired in Braintown. Now into what we do sell. The mitochondria are famed as the powerhouse of the cell, breaking down the food we intake and turning it into usable ATP. They are required for any cell to go about their day-to-day lives and function. Our 2024 model, priced at $800 glucose dollars, is a brand new hot red ride, coming in at 518 joules and a 3.2 second 0 to 60 ATP production. I know it's high class, but we offer older used models as well for a much cheaper price. However, they obviously might have some previous mileage on them. The next thing on the list is the new and improved lysosomes. These workers will make sure that all your old, worn out, or excess cell parts are digested and removed. And they do that by using their unstoppable enzymes. Without them, we would be overflown with waste, and we would eventually die. But such tragic events would never happen to a smart cell like you, because you are informed in our holiday double special. For cells 18 and under, 2 chosen lysosomes will be replaced with brand new functioning ones every 6 months, ensuring your child's safety and pristine features. All for the price of 450 glucose dollars, plus shipping. Finally, we have a special buy one get one free deal on our limited edition plant parts. For the price of one, you are eligible to get not only a chloroplast for any of your leafy needs, but a strong cell wall to protect you as well. Chloroplasts are essential to a plant cell because they are the organelles that turn light energy from the sun into usable energy in a process called photosynthesis. On the other hand, the cell wall acts as a barrier between the membrane of a plant cell and whatever substance surrounds it, protecting it from external unwanted pathogens. Without them, a plant cell cannot survive, which is what makes it so important for you to have a fully functioning one. Since the chloroplasts aren't as efficient as the mitochondria, and because of their drop in the stock market, you only have to pay a total of 530 glucose dollars, an absolute steal. In case you can't afford the eukaryotic parts, don't fret. Our prokaryotic collection is the right place for you. Prokaryotic cells are single cellular organisms that lack an actual nucleus, as well as other membrane-bound organelles. Their population typically consists of different types of bacteria, making them not suitable for our bodies. Due to this, we sell their limited parts for a much lower value compared to their eukaryotic versions. Though not optimal, they work almost just as well and are great for families looking to stay on a budget. The first item on our shelves is the face of the company, your very own prokaryotic ribosomes. These things are crucial for any prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, as they are the ones in charge of synthesizing and making proteins for the cell to use. Their price has dropped dramatically for your convenience. Only $200 glucose for 5 ribosomes, more than enough to equal the efficiency of 1 eukaryotic ribosome. The only other prokaryotic part we were able to acquire is the plasma membrane, which acts as a semi-permeable passage that allows only certain nutrients to leave or enter the cell. The cell membrane is another crucial component that is required for both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, which is why you are able to buy one if yours is in bad condition. The prokaryotic cell membrane is still a highly effective feature to add to your protection, but at a much cheaper price of $250 glucose. What kind of a cafe would it be if we didn't serve an adult-only menu as well? If you feel like spicing things up a bit, don't forget to look at our 21 plus adult-only page, which offers virus shakes for our special members. The virus is a parasitical cell that does not contain a nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelles, and it lives by latching onto and invading a host organism. Structurally, they consist of a thin protein layer called the capsid and a single molecule of nucleic acid. They come in different shapes and forms, and our Ribosome Cafe employees were able to smuggle certain ones past the white blood cell department and serve them at your pleasure. Our most popular drink is the infamous COVID cocktail, served at a price of 1,500 glucose sugars. If that is a little too pricey, you can always settle with good old HIV, priced at 900 glucose dollars. Rawson's Ribosome Cafe is not liable for any adverse side effects you may experience throughout your time. Disclaimer: said products are non-refundable and may potentially be dysfunctional if the buyer has undergone the Pfizer vaccine. That's all for today, my fellow cells. Rawson's all-in-one Ribosome Cafe is quick, reliable, and affordable for all during this holiday season. After all the hard times, my best customer, William, is better than ever and feels like a brand new cell waiting to be met. So don't miss out on the best deals of your life and come on down to 3.14 Spleen Avenue today. See you then.